Hello everybody, it's another unboxing video time. Today a watch, a Casio watch. A little bit more light. Oh yeah, and let's get right down to it. This is the legendary F91W terrorist watch, or the meme watch. And I got it in fucking pink. I got it in fucking pink. The meme watch in pink. I've had this watch by Armani for about sound like a year. Here we have the time setting mode. And there's a mode for alarm. Also stopwatch. There it is, a very simple device. Casio F91W. I'm not sure if the male's model is a bit bigger, the watch face. I dig how light this is. And here we have also a little backlight, so let's see it. Well, yeah, it's not pitch black, but with that button you can check the time and the date.